kindly pick all the pieces of trash under your chair and arrange your chair carefully. Okay? Okay, I will check your attendance. Okay, class. Dahil lagman ngayon, I will check your attendance with a quiz. When I call your name, instead of saying present, you will say your relationship status like single, taken, broken-hearted, etc. Okay, agawa?
Single.
Very good. No one is absent. Okay, class, short review muna tayo. What was our last topic? Yes, very good. It's all about branches of agriculture. So, what are those branches of agriculture, class? We have livestock production, crop production, agricultural economics, and agricultural engineering. Very good. So, I'm happy, class, that you will still remember our last lesson. Okay, class, so I am here for our next lesson. I have here some pictures. I want you to identify those pictures posted on the screen. Okay, anyone? Okay, can you raise your hand? Don't answer me in chorus. Yes, agawa. What do you see in this picture? It's all about agriculture. So, makita natin dito na may taong nagtatanim ng palay. Very good. Okay, next picture. What about this? Okay, this is a man na may hawakang raw materials. This is a baka. So yes, very good. How about this class? Okay, class? Please don't answer me in chorus. Can you raise your hand if you want to answer? Yes, Alvarado, very good. It's fruits and vegetables. And the last picture is, okay, so, anyone? Another hand, please. Yes, closer. It's all about, this picture is flower for decorative purpose. Very good. Okay, class. So this time, we have a group activity. So I will group you into two. So this is the group 1 and the group 2. All you have to do is arrange the scrambled letters posted on the board on the screen. So I give you 5 minutes to answer these jumbled letters. So your 5 minutes starts now. Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, class, keep quiet. Okay, are you done? Time is up. So, okay, class, can you exchange your paper to the other group? So let's check your activity. Okay, who got perfect? Wow, all groups got perfect scores. Very good. Okay, class. From our activity class, do you have any idea what was our lesson for today? Anyone? Can you raise your hand? Yes. Yes, carry on. Very good. It's all about agricultural crops and different types of crops. So, okay, class. When you hear agricultural crops, okay, class. In your own idea, what is agricultural crops? From our topic. Yes, agricultural crops is a plant that is grown to be harvested as food, clothing, or for other purposes. Very good. So, before we go to our main lesson, I have here our objective first. Okay. Okay, class, can you read our objective? Yes. At the end of the Grow aspects of different types of crops. And C. Value the importance of agricultural and different types of crops. Very good. Okay, that's agricultural crops. So, kanina, nagtanong ako sa inyo kung what is agricultural crop. So, tingnan natin kung tama yung mga sagot niya. Okay, so, okay, I want a volunteer to read the meaning of agricultural crops. Yes, Alvarado. Thank you, very good. Agricultural crop, a plant that is grown in significant quantities to be harvested as food, clothing, livestock fodder, or for another economic purposes. So we have 6 different types of agricultural crops. We have food crops, feed crops, fiber crops, oil crops, industrial crops, and ornamental crops. Okay, class, I have another question. Why it is important to know the agricultural crops and different types of crops? So, anyone? Okay, another hand, please. Wala ba yung mga kamay dyan? Yes, rose beer? Because it helps in identification of related plants. Very good. So, number 1 is food crops. What is food crops? A plant that is primarily raised, cultured, and harvested for the human consumption. Second is, so food crops, we have 2 classifications of food crops. We have field crops and food crops. So, anyone who can read the field crops? Okay? Okay, class? Meron lang sasalita dito. Can you please quiet and listen our lesson? So we have a short quiz later. Okay, can you read Agawa? The field crops. Thank you. Field crop is a crop that is grown on a large scale for agricultural purposes. So we have here example of field crop. Cornfield. Number 2 is the root crop. So anyone who can read? Yes, Conte. Root crops are underground plant parts edible for human consumption. Thank you, Conte. So these are the food crops for human consumption. So number 2 types of crops, so the feed crops. So anyone who can read and explain what is feed crops? Yes, carry on. Very good. So feed crops, a plant that is raised, cultured, and harvested for the livestock consumption. So thank you. Can you take your seats? So number 3 types of crops so we have here. Fiber crops. So anyone volunteer again to read the meaning? Yes. Yes, Angela, very good. So fiber crops, a plant that is primarily raised, cultured, and harvested for the fiber which are used as raw materials. So these are example of fiber crops. Number 4 types of crops is oil crops. So, oil crops, a plant that is primarily raised, cultured, harvested as base for biodiesel production. So, example of oil crops, so we have peanut oil, soybean oil, rapeseed oil, sesame oil, sunflower seed oil, and corn oil. Panglima is industrial crops. So, who want to read? Yes, can you raise your hands? Yes, yes, kayo again. Very good. So, industrial crops, a plant that is cultured for their biological materials, which are used in industrial processes into non-edible products. So, I have here some pictures, the cotton, and again, yung kanina sa, sa panimula, may picture. Okay, last but not the least, types of crops are ornamental crops. So, okay, I want to volunteer again. Yes, Agawa, ornamental crops. Yes, very good, thank you. Can you take your seats? A plant that is primarily raised and cultured for decorative purposes, especially in gardens and landscape design. our lesson? If not, so let's have our next activity. So, di ba class, I said last time that we will bring short bond paper, right? And for your activity today. So, what you have to do, class, is to make a broad sketch of different types of crafts. So class, your output or your activity will be graded with our criteria. So our criteria for today: creativity, 25 points; netness, 15 points; work finish on time, 10 points. Ito class, dito sa work finish on time, I give you 15 minutes only to finish this activity. Ang late class, of course, by minus 2 points pag 1 minute late. Late na pag-finish mo ng work. Okay, class, I give you 10 minutes to make your activity. So your 15 minutes starts now. Okay? So, wow, very good. Okay, so okay, class, be quiet and huwag masyadong maingay. Okay, your 15 minutes is up. So, papers up, class. Okay? Can you pass your activity in front? Okay, thank you, class. Okay, so, nakaupo na ba lahat? Okay, huwag maingay, class. So, I said earlier that we have our quiz. So, I want you to get 1/2 sheet of paper and answer this short quiz. Okay, in a 1/2 sheet of paper, answer the following questions. Okay, class? So, you have 10 minutes to answer. 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, papers up. So, okay, class, let's check your work. Can you exchange your paper with your seatmate and write corrected by? Okay, na-exchange na ba? Very good. Thank you. Okay, number 1. So, let's answer. Plants that are primarily raised, culture, and harvest, which is used for raw materials, is what? Okay, very good. Fiber crops. So, number 2.
Proceed sa number 10.
Okay, 6 to 10. Give at least 5 examples of oil crops. So, who can give one? Yes, Carlon. Sesame, seed oil. Very good. Ano pa? Okay, anyone in hands? Yes, corn oil and okay, so before we end our discussion class, balikan muna natin ang ating learning objective kung na-meet ba natin ang ating learning objective sa araw na to. Okay, class, did we identify agricultural crops and different types of crops? Yes. Did we draw a sketch of different types of crops? Yes. And last, did we value the importance of agricultural crops and different types of crops? Yes. And that's for the agreement. Now, one whole sheet of paper, research in advance for our next lesson. Class parts, its function. Okay, that's all for today, class. Goodbye and blessed.
Wala kang game.
Ano?